What is up, guys? It's Kurt. Oh, I'm already in reverse. Anyways, I am going to make another YouTube video, I guess. I know you guys have only really seen the truck on Instagram, so I decided I'm going to make a video on everything that's done to this V6 piece of shit. I just got off work, just made some fucking dinner. Now I'm heading back to work because that's really the only nice area I can actually film at where you guys can actually see. So, hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Kurt. We back in the Skirt Mobile. We're gonna be showing you a little bit of a walk around today. I just want to start out by saying I'm pretty much just like any one of y'all. I can't afford a freaking $30,000 motor. I can barely even afford tires for this thing sometimes. I work a 8 to 5 just like anyone else. I get overtime. I have other responsibilities that I have to really account for. This is kind of just like a side hobby for me in a sense. I don't make a lot of money. I do what I gotta do. I do, as much as I can. Same with the Duramax. That thing was an absolute headache. That's the reason why I sold it, actually, is because it ended up costing me way too much money. You guys probably know from following my Instagram, that thing was on a trailer pretty much every single month. And it got to the point where things started breaking on it again. The shop that I actually brought it to get the injectors done again, they didn't calibrate them, so the injectors went out again. Well, at least started to. It started white smoking like crazy. I checked the fuel filter, all that shit, and got the balance rates tested, and sure enough, they were fucking up again. And that was, oh man, 6 months after they got put in probably. So they had to do the shop that bought it, they had to do head gaskets, they had to do injectors again, they had to do the CP3 pump, and yeah, you can pretty much already tell why I sold that thing. It would have been another $6,000 or $7,000 on top of everything else that I've done to it. I put probably 32 grand into that truck, way too much money into that thing, and turned around and sold it for 12 grand. So you do the math, and that's how much money I lost when I sold the truck. It definitely sucked. I'm now trying to bounce back from it, hence why we got that little turd down. Anyways, let's get back to the video. I'm gonna be showing you guys a little walk around because you guys have really only seen pictures of it and my small burnout video on Instagram. But we did a 5.7 max track suspension drop on it. It's got a 6-inch axle flip in the rear, C-notched as well, so we C-notched the frame. I put the stock shackles back in, so it puts it around 7 inches. It's a little bit under 7. The front we did 5 inches. It's got lowering coils in the front and struts, and that's pretty much about it. It's on 17-inch stocks right now. Way too big of tires. I need to get new tires for it, but in time. I mean, I rub like crazy. It's on 285 70 R17s. Way too fucking big. I had to rip the wheel wells out, as you can tell. So I'm running no wheel wells right now. But hopefully I'll get my shit together this year, and I plan on saving to get the 6.0 swap put in it, a 6.0 LS, and a 4L80E. Probably gonna pro charge it, build the top end, keep the stock bottom end, and I mean, I don't want it pushing crazy amount of horsepower. I mean, 500 to 600 is perfectly fine for me. But as time goes on, we'll see what happens with the build. I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video. And of course, we repping the motherfucking GM Chevrolet, boys. That Walmart special, $12. Get yours now on the shelf. But here she is in all her glory. It's just a stock V6 Sierra 1500 two-wheel drive. Nothing special. I do like the color though. I'm honestly probably gonna keep the color on it. But we tucking, boys. We tucking hard. For those of you that watched my last video, I just want to say thank you very much. It means the world to me that you guys support me. Even if it's just 20 views, honestly, it doesn't matter to me. The fact that I at least have 20 people that want to see this truck means the absolute world to me. Your support, you know, keeps me going, you know, motivates me to keep doing things to the truck. Oh, there she is. But it's nothing special. I mean, I'll show you guys the interior real quick. Oh, that door's locked. Clean for the most part, besides my dirty shit. I ain't got no rips in the seats though, no stains. My favorite right there. God bless America, we bleed red, white, blue, and freedom, I'll tell you what. A lot of blood, sweat, and beers went into this, so I got that in there to let people know. But I hope you guys enjoy the video and enjoy the truck. Stay tuned for next time. Peace.